There's a motion to approve on second reading, House Bill number 10723. As many as in favor, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. House Bill number 10723 is hereby approved on second reading.
Lusot na sa ikalawang pagbasa ng House of Representatives ang House Bill No. 10723 o tinatawag na ULO Tax Exemption ni House Committee on Appropriations Chairperson Albay Representative Joey Salceda. Isinusulong ng panukalang huwag patawan ng buwis ang mga donasyon para sa national athletes na sumasabak sa international sports competition.
We will conduct a review of our legislation, among others, Republic Act 10699, the National Athletes and Coaches Benefits Incentives Act. Kailangan amendahan natin para may bibigay ng suporta at tulong po sa lahat ng mga atleta natin.